In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly find and source casters on CasterHQ.com. If you already know your specs, you can use our quick caster finder right here on the homepage to narrow down by mount type, wheel diameter, and load capacity. If you're still comparing options, I'll show you how to use the filters after a search to narrow by wheel material, brake type, mounting styles, and other specs. And for B2B buyers, OEMs, maintenance teams, and purchasing departments, I'll also show you how to request a quote, upload an RFQ, or upload a competing quote so our team can review it for competitive pricing and bulk order support. As you can see, we have a few options on the website. So if you're a business and you have a competing quote from, let's say, MasterCar, Uline, Grainger, a distributor, another manufacturer, you can click upload your quote right here, drop your quote in, submit some information, and our team will submit a competitive quote within 1 to 3 business hours with a lead time. Now, if you're looking for the caster or looking for a caster right now, you can scroll down right here to spec the right caster in 30 seconds, and you can click mount type. Now, this will allow you to select the mount type you're looking for. If you're not really familiar with the caster mount types, this is a plate caster, this is a threaded stem caster, this is a grip ring stem caster, and this is an expanding rubber caster. So go ahead and select your mount types. These are really all the mount types that exist in the industry, the most common. So we'll go ahead and select plate casters for an example, and then choose your diameter. So if you know your diameter, go ahead and select it. If you don't know your diameter, go ahead and grab a tape measure and the caster, if you have one in front of you, and line that up with the bottom of the wheel all the way to the top of the wheel, and try to keep the tape measure as centered as possible. And you're gonna see this one is a 4-inch diameter wheel. And so go ahead and select 4 inches, and then capacity, go ahead and choose a load capacity you need. So for me, I'm not trying to necessarily match this one. I'm just showing you how to measure a wheel. I'm gonna select something that's pretty heavy duty. So let's click 751 to 1500 pounds. And you can see the results right here. Click show matches. And this is gonna take you to a product page to show you all the matches that fall within those ranges you selected. So these are all the 4-inch casters within that capacity range that are plate casters. Now, to further narrow it down, the quickest way is to select the overall plate size. Now, this is really easy. You can grab your tape measure again, and you're just gonna wanna measure length and width of the plate size. And if you have a bigger one, like this one, same thing. So go ahead and measure down. This is gonna measure 4.5 inches, and this is 4 inches wide. So this is a 4 by 4.5 inch mounting plate. So we're gonna go ahead and select that right here. And now it's gonna only show you the products that have a 4 by 4.5 inch mounting plate and a 4-inch diameter with the capacity range you selected. Now, if you know the wheel materials you need, you can go ahead and select the wheel material right here. And then you can continue to scroll down and kind of see the other options. If you need a swivel or rigid, you can go ahead and select those options. So I'll go ahead and select a wheel material. So let's say I need a phenolic wheel. Well, now you can see all the caster options that have a phenolic wheel, right? So really easy way to find the product. And one thing that we do on our website, you can request a bulk quote right here if you want, if you have a large quantity, or you can go into the product listing itself and you can select different options. So if you see the bearing type, you can select different bearings. When you hover over them, it explains exactly the benefits and features of that option that you see there. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see the frequently bought together options, and that would show you this is the matching swivel to this caster that you're on, matching rigid, and replacement wheel. So you can add all these to your cart. You can deselect some. So you're like, hey, I just want a total lock and a rigid and maybe some backup wheels in case they wear out. Then you can add that and you can adjust the quantity in your cart. And again, right here, you can click request bulk quote. So let's say you need 100 of them or 500 of them. You can request that and we'll submit you a quote very quickly. Usually it's within a few minutes, you'll get a quote back. But worst case, sometimes it's 1 to 3 business hours. So that's how you find the product using our tool. Now you can also find products the traditional way, using our navigation mega menu right here. But if you don't know what you're looking for, you can also go by shop by wheel size. And if you know the wheel size you need, the 5-inch diameter, 2-inch tread width, you can click that, or by load capacity. If you just know, hey, I need a caster that's going to hold 4,000 to 7,500 pounds, or let's say 20 to 30,000 pounds, you can click that. That's not a good example, but you can click that in, let's say 30,000 pounds, and it's going to show you just these extreme duty casters, you know. Anyways, there's a lot of other ways to shop the casters as well. If you have a plate size that's not really common, you can click view all plate sizes down here, and this is going to show you all the plate sizes that we have in stock. It's over 20 plate sizes, and then it shows you which ones are more common, right? So there's a lot of ways to find the products. If you scroll down on the homepage, you can also see and expand the menus and see the different popular categories, all the wheel options, material handling products. We make most of these in-house. So all of our furniture dollies are made from oak. They're the highest quality dollies in the industry. We make them here in-house. The carts we make here in-house. The ball transfers are made in the US. Hand trucks are made in the US. 3-wheel dollies and ratchet tie downs are all made in the US. So you can kind of explore our website, read our reviews, and you can see everything that we have to offer. So if you are a business and you have a competing quote, you can use this link right here or the one on the homepage, and it'll take you to this page where you can upload and drop your quote right here, enter some information, submit it, and we will send you a competitive quote within 1 to 3 hours. So a lot of the purchasers and procurement officers love using this feature because they're able to get their 3 bids. Sometimes they require 3 bids, or they just need competitive pricing. So they'll just send us a quote that they got somewhere else, and we'll be able to outbid them and submit it back, and provide a lead time that's usually a lot quicker than the competition. So anyways, that's how you use our website. There's a lot of other resources on our website as well. There's engineering tools. So if you need help with, let's say, load capacity for your application, you can enter the information here, and it'll spit out a recommended heavy duty. That's the capacity you need per caster. And then you can go back to the tool, the caster finder, and you can filter by load capacity based on the tool. You will also have a more advanced caster finder right here that you're going to be able to enter a lot more information. So the mount type, wheel material, capacity, swivel, rigid, and it'll show you the matches there as well. So anyways, I hope this tutorial was useful, and if you need to reach out to us, we have a live chat on our website, and you can call us anytime, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 Central Standard Time. Thank you.